Hey Sedge, what's up?
All right. I'm really psyched about this because I think this is going to be an entire series on SedgeTool because it's little tips and tricks I picked up since I was a little kid in shops. I'm going to go and teach you as you're setting up your shop at home, and we're all helping with it, is how to set it up and kind of learn from somebody who might have a little bit of experience. And I'm even going back to my father. Okay, I hate wasting time. Okay, I want to build stuff like we're building this morning, right?
Right.
Okay, it's so important to understand organization inside a shop. So we're going to have a series of shop organization tips. This goes back to my days in Maine growing up, where my father had some pegboard, and he had an outline on all the pegboard of his tools. So every Friday night, because I knew he was going to work the weekend in the shop, me and my brothers would look to say, "Hey, what'd you do with the hammer?" We would know what goes there. Okay? And I'm not into outlining it, but my dad taught me early on, you know when something's missing, but you know where it goes afterwards. Okay? And I got tons of tips on that too. So I started doing this in the last couple of years. I use Kaizen inserts. I cut them out. Most importantly, I know if this is missing, where is it in the shop? Okay? In other words, you don't want to waste your time looking for things.
No, not at all.
Okay, you want to use your time correctly in building things. So if you think this is a big deal, when you start organizing, it is a humongous deal. So this is what this tip is about today.
Okay.
Get yourself a good labeler.
All right.
Okay, and it sounds funny. I learned this with SedgeTool. Okay, let's look behind us. Okay, check this out. Look, I know, quick reference, here's my Carvex. Over here, look, this is where my routers are. Okay, it's a visual. So I can look in there. I hated cases because I used to have cases stacked, and you'd go, oh, is that a brad nailer? Is that, no, label things. And SedgeTool's really good at labeling everything. Okay, like here's my MFK 700 over here. I know that, that's my Domino XL. Those are dominoes. So label, label, label. It sounds funny, but I do this with these containers. I can't stand the containers that they come in. Okay, because I have bins over here with all my labeling. I know what's in those bins. I know what goes in there. But I label on two sides because I may be opening that bin.
Oh wow, I didn't see that.
And I can look right here. Those are my 2.5 number 9s. But if I look at another angle, I have another angle on there. Same thing with these. It's my 1/2 number 8. So if you don't think that saves time, it does. Over here, Chris, I'll show you. You'll notice I've started to label everything in here. All my electronic, all my blades, my scrapers, workbench accessories. And I just have it. All my parts are in here, nuts and bolts, cabinet hardware, I have too. All my staples and my miscellaneous are in there. In other words, you won't be looking for things if you have them properly labeled. So if that helps in organization, we're gonna do a full series probably on Kaizen inserts. I'll show you how to do that.
Oh, cool.
It's probably one of the best things I've seen come out in years. But I have all kinds of other things on to show you about organization.
Awesome.